Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Terraform on a Windows system using Chocolatey, the Windows package manager. If you're working on infrastructure as code or looking to automate the deployments, Terraform is the tool for you. I'm running on Windows 11 for this demo, but the steps should work for other Windows versions as well. Before we dive in, let's talk about Chocolatey. It's a free and open source package manager for Windows. Think of it like a one-stop shop for installing software quickly and efficiently. It makes managing packages on Windows super easy. The first thing we need to do is make sure our PowerShell's execution policy isn't set to restricted. To check this, just open up PowerShell and type Get-ExecutionPolicy, press enter, and you can see it says restricted. Don't worry, you can fix that by running the command Set-ExecutionPolicy bypass -scope process. Press enter. This will allow us to install Chocolatey without any hiccups. Now let's install Chocolatey itself. Just make sure that you have opened PowerShell as an administrator. I'm going to paste this command, which will basically download the Chocolatey package manager. And by the way, I'm going to put these commands in the video description. Press enter. Now this will take a moment, but once it is done, you have Chocolatey installed. So once Chocolatey is installed, you want to verify that it is working. So I'm going to close PowerShell and open it again as an administrator. And I'll type Choco, press enter. All right, so you will see the version of Chocolatey. So you're good to go and Chocolatey is ready. Now let's move on installing Terraform. So with Chocolatey installed, this step is super simple. All you need to do is run Choco, install Terraform, and press enter. Now Chocolatey will handle the rest, and it will prompt you to allow the install. So just type A for yes to all and press enter, and it will do its thing. After the installation completes, the next step is to verify that Terraform was installed correctly. So I'm going to close out the PowerShell window and open it again as an administrator. And I'll type Terraform, press enter. So you'll see a list of available subcommands. Congratulations, Terraform is installed. You can also check which version of Terraform you're running by typing Terraform version, press enter. Here you should see something like version 1.9.6 or whatever the latest version is at the time. Now, if you need to upgrade Terraform in the future, just use the following command, Choco upgrade Terraform -y and press enter. Easy, right? And if you want to explore the different commands available in Terraform, you can simply run Terraform -help. Now, this will give you a full list of commands and global options. You can also use just Terraform and press enter to see an overview of everything you need. And that's it. You have now successfully installed Terraform on your Windows system using Chocolatey. With Terraform, you can automate cloud infrastructure setup, so it's a great tool to have it in your arsenal. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and leave a comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.